I wanted to show off these robot eyes that I made a while back. I'm not gonna really share the files because honestly I'm not too happy with how they turned out. The up and down motion is really nice and really smooth, you can see that. But the side to side is honestly kind of scuffed. And the reason for that is I kind of cheaped out and I only used one center servo to move them side to side. I honestly should have just used one servo per eye. Yeah, you can even hear the servo in the center right now. It's just not lined up properly, and I'm guessing there's just too much load on it. But the up and down motion is really nice. I'm really proud of that. But the way this works, or the way any robot eyes work, is that they have to rotate about the center of axis vertically and horizontally. So I'm moving these side to side using my rack and pinion design from one of my last videos. So if you want to see how I did that, go check that out. The up and down motion, if this focuses, you can see. So on the eyeball, I have a gear. And then on the individual servos, I have the gear with the 1-to-1 ratio, which moves it up and down. To power this right now, I'm just using a ESP32 with the 5-volt coming in from a power supply over there. But in the future, I'm going to be using batteries for my projects. And I'll make a video on how to power Arduinos and ESP32s using batteries. If you like the video, subscribe. Thanks for watching.